Hey guys. Hey, we just got the keys to the new building, so let's go inside and check it out. Here we are. This space is big. Welcome. There's not a ton to talk about at this point, but I can kind of give you a general idea of what we're gonna do with the space. So right now we're standing like right in the center of the building. And so as you can see, there are quite a few walls in here. This was a furniture store. And so some of the demolition work that we're gonna do is this whole wall is coming out from this column all the way this way is gonna be the sanctuary. So all of these walls are gonna be gone. There's 2 bathrooms back there, and then over on this side of the building we're gonna build 2 new rooms, which is where our youth are gonna be. So there will be essentially right up against this wall and these 2 windows is gonna be our youth rooms. There will be a hallway back here to get to these bathrooms in the back. And then if you look right back here, where the scaffolding is, we've already set up the scaffolding to start demolition work. But basically from this point, probably out to like right here and all the way over is gonna be all of our kids area. And then there's gonna be 2 big new bathrooms back here. So I know that's not a ton of detail. We're still working on the plans, but we do have the demolition permit and we are starting demo tomorrow. So any of you guys there at Family Table tonight, we'd love to have your help as much as possible. So, and look, we are one nation under God, America. Gotta love it.